Today we are going to be looking at Miss Virginia Lachasse, a doll that we're preparing for a loan to a museum in Belgium. We're going to be going downstairs to one of our preparation rooms and we'll be meeting Sarah Glenn, the Textile Conservator who is preparing Miss Virginia Lachasse for her travels. The doll was made in London in 1954 and she was part of a touring exhibition of dressed dolls that were created to raise money for the Greater London Fund for the Blind. She actually became one of the star attractions of that touring exhibition and she travelled all over the country. So she's not averse to travelling overseas at all.
As a textile conservator, my job when I'm preparing something for travel is to assess all the objects that are going on loan, assess their condition and also what they require in terms of display and any travel requirements that might have. So our aim is to keep everything as safe and as stable as possible during that whole period. Here she is. The best way that we can transport all of these things is using archival boxes and something called plastisate, which is completely inert and we can use to form shapes around the objects so it holds it all very safe and secure and isn't going to cause any damage. So in this box is the sum of the underwear of the collection. So here you can see all the corsets and the lovely stockings, of which there are a number in the collection.
She has the most extraordinary range of accessories and they have all been beautifully crafted as perfect miniatures of how they would have been at the time. She's made as part of a long tradition of couture houses using miniatures and dolls to display the breadth of their collections and the extent of their skills. All of the accessories that go with Virginia's wardrobe are made by the suppliers who would supply the House of Lachasse for all of the additional items and aspects of the couture wardrobes that they created. At the Fashion Museum we run a really active loans out programme which enables us to share our objects with audiences all over the UK and all over the world. The Fashion Museum is leaving the assembly rooms and while we're waiting for our new home to be prepared, we will continue to engage with our visitors through our Loans Out programme. We lend to museums and institutions. It's our window to the world. It's our way of sharing our extraordinary collection and we make as much of our collection accessible as we possibly can.